So we're on Cedar Canyon Road down to Kelso Depot. This is our Joshua Tree forest I just showed you. Wow. Road. But over on this side, until it kind of burned out. So here we are on Cedar Canyon Road here. He's down to Kelso Depot. A fire came through here, wiped out a ton of these Joshua trees and other plants. These guys. Right. Here's some fallen trees here. Got a burned up Joshua over here. These are buckhorn cacti. We're falling down logs. Another buckhorn here. But I'll show you the other side of this amazing Joshua tree forest. Other side of Cedar Canyon Road. All right, check out this little guy. This is called a desert primrose. It's called like a 4 o'clock plant because presumably the little flowers open at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, really. But it's morning time right now, so they're going to close up for the day, I think. Right, so here we got another one here. I want to show you this incredible Joshua tree forest up on the hillside here. Wow, look at all these guys. These plants are pretty old, be a couple hundred years old. But the new growth, like this one here, when you see one like this, that's just straight up, means it's never flowered before. Because what happens, there's a terminal bud at the top here, right? When the plant flowers, like here, the terminal bud will die, and the plant will then kind of fork out like here, 1, 2. And that one will die, and it'll fork out again. So it keeps forking out. Every time he does, you get a new branch, like we have on this guy here. So these new ones, I'm going to presume they're only about 20 years old. Look at this one here. Oh, here's our silver cholla, or golden cholla. This place is phenomenal up here. A little deeper in the forest. See, a little damage on these guys. So they fall down. They just decay. They're not woody, they're fibrous, so they decay pretty easily. Then all the birds and the other critters can use the bark. It just peels right off, this bark here. Use it for nesting materials. And you can take the fibers here and weave nests, or you can weave baskets, or sandals. Here's another really young one here. And the Joshua tree, it kind of propagates by 2 ways. One is by rhizomes underground. So it'll send out a kind of a shoot underground. If it dies or for whatever reason it wants to propagate, and then the new shoot will pop up. Like here, right? Here's one here. Sends out a rhizome, comes up to a new plant. It also propagates if this offshoot here falls down on the ground, it might grow on its own as well. Yes, look at this forest. Joshua trees. All right, well, say goodbye to our Joshua tree forest. This is Yucca brevifolia. I've got a whole video on this from Joshua Tree National Park. You want to take a look at that? Super. Okay, now we're going. All right, next stop, Kelso Depot.